Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the new WhatsApp feature, how you can customize chat with AI theme. So WhatsApp has rolled out one of its most exciting customization features, the ability to generate unique chat themes and wallpapers using AI. So this is pretty new, and what you need to do is just add a simple prompt and WhatsApp will generate the theme for you. So let's try it out. You can open the WhatsApp application and start the chat or choose the existing chat. So for example, I'm going to just open one of the contacts in here. Now you can just click on the three dots icon at the top right corner, and that will be the chat theme options. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the default themes provided by WhatsApp, and here you'll easily spot the create with AI option. So just tap on that. Now you can just describe the image that you want, or you can also choose the one from here, but I'm going to just add a simple prompt. For example, beautiful beach. Okay, you can hit on submit or enter and just wait until Meta AI generate the theme for you. Okay, so Meta AI will give you some option. You can just choose which one to use. For example, I'm going to use this one right here. You can click on the check icon, or you can also click on this make changes if you want to modify it. I'm going to just click on the check icon, and here you can preview the result, how it will look like on the chat, and just click on the check icon again at the top right corner. Click on set theme. Okay, let's go back, and just like that, and now the theme, the AI theme has been set. If you want to modify or generate a different chat theme in another in another conversation, you can also do so, because this one is only applied to this conversation. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.